Hi, Dave from Buzzy here. We've just released version 2 of the Buzzy Figma plugin, so if you're working your way through some of our tutorials and video demos and are wondering why things look a tiny bit different, this is why. So I'll just run you through the change quickly. The main one is we've introduced a new data tab here between design and publish. Now this acts as a container or a bucket for all your field definitions and micro apps that your app contains. So here we've got one micro app sign up form and it's got one field email address. We can go and create new fields from here if we want, or we could edit existing ones if we want. So we could go and edit that field if we wanted. The design tab's still to the design tab, so this is still where you do all your markup. So there's, if we drill down, we can see there's our field definition. Now this definition in the design tab's become a lot simpler, whereas previously you did the creation and editing of your fields all in the design tab. We split that out. That now happens on separate screens and in the data tab. The design tab is purely about marking up. So we could, for instance, go and select this piece of text down here and say we want to reuse that email field. So we can call this a field. Again, this is how things used to work. Now, instead of having to redefine that field step by step, we can just select it. So there it is. There's our sign up form. There's the email field. We can just tell it what mode we want. We only want it to render as the value and so on. If we needed to edit that field, again, we could do that from there. We don't need to, but it makes things a lot simpler. You can just select the fields you want once they've been created, and it's a lot easier to then manage that data as you see it here in the data tab. What used to be the data tab is now just the import tab on the far right, and that hasn't really changed. It's just been renamed. It's purely about importing external data. Managing your data once it's created and part of your app, that's the data tab now. So that's the main change. Hope you like it. Let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.